Hello lovely people. Hope you are having a great time today. Today's presentation is another two-bedroom design which has been impeccably crafted to give lasting comfort and bliss. This design is simple and has a smart layout that comes at a relatively average cost. However, it has a mind-blowing interior design. The layout of the ground floor plan with its floor areas are as follows: the entrance and back terraces, a combined living and dining, a delightful kitchen, an exquisite master suite, a spacious second bedroom, 2 washrooms and a corridor for easy movement. The building has 2 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The building has an area of 141 square meters with an expected construction cost of $43,200. Mind you, with the probable rise in the cost of construction materials, it may vary depending on your location. Walkthrough. Living and dining room. Walkthrough. Kitchen. Walkthrough. Master's bedroom. Walkthrough. Bedroom 2. Walkthrough. Washroom. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly click on the videos on your screen to watch other amazing videos on this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.